If you think creators make money just from views, you're wrong. And that misunderstanding is why most people never figure out how this actually works. Because in 2026, the creator economy is not about going viral. It's about turning attention into money. And here's the crazy part. Two creators can post the same video, get the same views, and one makes a few $100s while the other makes tens of thousands. So I'm going to break down how creators actually make money, where income really comes from, and why views are almost irrelevant. And if you find this useful, subscribe because I break down real money systems like this every week. Now let's start with the biggest lie, that YouTube or TikTok pays creators enough through views to get rich. Yes, ad revenue exists, but it's usually the smallest part of income. For example, a finance channel might earn $5 to $20 per thousand views depending on niche and audience, while entertainment can be much lower, meaning even a million views doesn't automatically change your life. Virality is not wealth, it's exposure. Platforms are not built to make creators rich, they are built to keep people watching. So if ads are not the main money, then what is? The real money in 2026 comes from the attention funnel, which turns viewers into income outside the platform. The first major one is sponsorships. Once a creator has a small but engaged audience, brands start paying attention. They care less about size and more about trust, because if people trust you, they buy from you. Sponsorships can range from a few $100s to 5 figures or even 6 figures per video, and engagement matters more than followers. A creator with 20,000 loyal viewers can outperform someone with 500,000 random viewers, because brands buy influence, not views. Now before we continue, subscribe if you're enjoying this because I post breakdowns like this every week. Next is affiliate marketing, where creators recommend products and earn commission per sale. You don't need to create anything, just influence. And one video can earn money for months or years. Then comes digital products, the biggest wealth builder. Ebooks, templates, guides, courses, and communities. Because you create once and sell unlimited times. A $20 product with 1,000 buyers is already $20,000. And this scales into real income systems. Creators are no longer just creators. They are businesses using content as marketing, not the product itself. Most beginners miss this and chase views instead of systems. But content alone is not the business. It is the engine. And trust is what makes everything work. Built through consistency and value. That creates familiarity. And familiarity creates sales. Attention plus trust equals income. And viral videos become business assets. This is why creators diversify income. Ads alone are unstable. Sponsors alone are risky. But combined systems create stability. In 2026, the creator economy is about systems, not fame. And those who understand this win long term, while others stay stuck chasing views. So remember, views don't pay you, systems do. And if you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Now let's go deeper into why ads alone fail most creators. Ad revenue depends on CPM, which changes by country, niche, and audience quality, meaning the same video can pay very different amounts depending on who watches it. Finance and business content usually earns more than entertainment because advertisers pay more for audiences with buying power. But even then, ads are unstable because platforms change policies. CPM drops seasonally, and algorithm shifts can cut income overnight. So smart creators treat ads as bonus income, not the foundation. Sponsorships are more valuable because brands are buying trust, not just views. If a creator can influence buying decisions, that influence has direct value. That's why integrations are built into storytelling instead of feeling like ads, because natural delivery increases conversions and payouts. Affiliate marketing scales differently. You earn per action like clicks or purchases, so old content can keep generating income for months or years without extra work. Digital products remove time limits completely. There is no middleman. You set price and keep control. And content becomes the entry point into a full system where attention leads to trust and trust leads to sales. The real shift in 2026 is mindset. Beginners chase views, but professionals build systems that turn attention into multiple income streams. Once you understand this, every viral video becomes a potential business asset inside a larger strategy. This is why consistency matters more than virality, because repeated exposure builds familiarity, and familiarity builds trust over time, which is what ultimately drives conversions and long-term income stability across all platforms. It turns content into a long-term business system.